Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to make a start button in Scratch. So I'm going to use this as a example. So let's get a sprite as a button, and just so here I'm going to take this. Wait, it's taking so long. There we go. This, and then we're going to get customs and text. Alright. We have star over here. There's it. And then all we gotta do is event when this sprite is clicked. Hide. And let's say broadcast message 1. And then we'll do when I receive message 1. Say hello for 2 seconds, right? And then also we want it to reset, so events when let's do, you could choose anything you want, any keybind. I'm gonna choose R as in reset. So when R is clicked, show. So let's see it's gonna hide and say hello, but we don't have it. So when R is clicked, it'll come back. So that's all it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. It'll really help the channel over here. And type in anything you what should I do next in the comments. See you guys in the next video.